Alright, so in this last video of this section, what I want to do is just clean everything up for the next section where we're going to start to look at events and forms and things like that. There's a lot of stuff here that we don't need that I just included to show you those concepts. So let's start off with the model, the users.ts file inside the models, and I'm just going to get rid of balance. Okay, we're no longer going to need that for anything. We're also going to get rid of image. I'm not going to use the image for the user anymore. And we'll go ahead and save. And then we're going to have to obviously edit the template. So let's go into the users component HTML. And we'll start at the top here. First of all, we can get rid of these comments for the alternative binding syntax. Let's get rid of, let's see, we need to get rid of the pipes. So we don't need lowercase and uppercase on the names. So we'll get rid of that. Let's get rid of, let's see, the balance. Okay, so we're no longer using a balance, so we can get rid of the li. We can get rid of the last li, which is just the number to show you the decimal points. We're going to leave in the joined, the register date, and leave in the date pipe. Now, we're not going to use the image, so what I'm going to do is get rid of the image, and then I'm going to get rid of the grid system here, so we'll get rid of the column SM4, and then the call SM8, so we want to get rid of the beginning and the end tag, which is right here, so we'll get rid of that, and then also the row class, which ends right here, so we'll get rid of that, and then we can just bring this up. And if you're using VS Code, you can actually do Alt-Shift-F, and that'll format it for you. So let's save that, see what we get. All right, so that's what it should look like. I'm also going to get rid of the ng style right here for current styles. And I'm going to get rid of the, let's see, where is it? The ng class, which is right here. We don't need that anymore. And that should be it. We're going to leave the class BG Lite for the active users so that they have a gray background. So let's save that. And we'll get rid of the style. I don't care about the green border for active users, so we'll go ahead and get rid of that. All right. And then let's get rid of this comment right here. We don't need that. And we should be all set for our template. So this looks a lot cleaner for us to move on. Now let's go to the TS file, the users component TS file. I'm going to get rid of the two properties, current classes and current styles. And then go down here. We're getting this error because there's no longer an image in the model, so we're going to get rid of that. We're also going to get rid of the balances for all the users. Get rid of balance and image and balance. Okay, and then down here, let's get rid of the set current styles and classes. So we'll get rid of these two methods here. I'm going to keep the add user. We're gonna be using that. We can get rid of this though. What I'm going to do is add an event to this button here to add a user, and then after that we'll actually create a form to add a user. But that should be good. So let's go ahead and save that and make sure we get no errors. We'll go ahead and check the console and Chrome, and looks like we have no errors. Alright, so we're ready to move on. So in the next section we're going to take a look at events and forms, things like that. Stuff that we can do in the user interface.